Welcome to Delhi's restaurant. Any reservation? Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
Could you please follow Mr. Elizabeth, please? Are you comfortable with this meeting? Have a seat. Excuse me, sir. Here's our wine list for your drinks. May I have your order for your drinks? Juice yan, cocktail mostly.
Yeah, pineapple.
May I have? Next, serve mo yung drinks na yun. Asan yung kayo?
Doon pa lang
Yes. Okay, so ito ha. Excuse me, sir. Make sure ay pineapple juice. Here's your ice cream. And your bread and butter. Again, sir, again, sir, my name is Sodelia. I'm your server for today. It's my pleasure to serve you. Here's our menu for your food selection. I'll take your order whenever you're ready. May take your order, sir? Okay. For your appetizer, what would you like, sir? How about your soup? We have soup number 5 or running for soup. How about your salad?
I would use fruit salad.
Would you like to try our toast green salad? Toast green salad with Thousand Island dressing or vinaigrette? Ni isa sa inyo, walang nag-suggest ng selling.
Thousand Island.
How about your main course, sir? Would you like to try our top seller for today? Is chicken cordon bleu with accompanied with tartar sauce. How about a glass of red wine? Here's our wine list again, sir. To complement your English. How about your dessert, sir? Sir, can you repeat your order? Your order is buffalo wings. Soup number 5, toast green salad with Thousand Island dressing, chicken cordon bleu, white wine, and one pie for you, sir. Did I get your order right, sir? Your order will be delivered in a short while. May I have it? And then, saka kayo mag-pre-set up, pre-arrange. Nandun yun sa ano? So, kompleto, di ba? Sir, here's your soup number 5. Appetizer. Skip na tayo. Para mabilis. Appetizer muna. Then salad. Appetizer muna. Ganyan lang natin yung salad. Tumawid na nga tayo eh. Nag-cut na tayo ng appetizer para mabilis. Okay? Kinumpleto lang natin yan. Are you done, sir, with the soup? May I clear the table? Soda? Iba, hindi mo wala. Excuse me, sir. Here's your toast sweet salad. That's my dressing. Enjoy your salad, sir. Are you done, sir? Alam niyo, ganyan ang gagawin sa assessment. Kahapon, hawak ko ulit, taga-JRU, tapos taga-Fatima. Ganito wala. So, pag salad yun, di ba? Binasa ko yung salad, kasabay yung bread and butter. Pag nag-buzz out ka ng salad.
Ayun, line. Yes po.
Excuse me, sir, may I present you? White wine complement your chicken. This is Carnival C, 7.5 alcohol content, 1976 vintage from France. May I present you, sir? Ito sa side. Sabi lang, pwede mo ayusin yan eh. Hindi na arrangement na natin. Tapos ito. Assuming na nabuksan. Okay? Excuse me, sir, here's your report for your sensory evaluation. Prepare for the wine. Tapos yung iba, gumagano na kagad. Huwag kayong puposisyon na gano'n. Punin sa neck, sa kahawakan. Posisyon. Okay? Every hand. 1/4. How's the one? Have some more? Half. Then, iwan dito. Balik. Serve yung... Ano sunod? Excuse me, sir. Here's your chicken burger. Enjoy your meal, sir.
Bro, para sa yung sauce.
Para sa corn. Okay? Excuse me, sir. How's your food? Did you like it? Is there anything you want to add, sir? Check back. Alam niyo ba malaki ang points yan? Okay, pagbalik. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your dish? I'm here. Diba, pati paglakan. Ibang klase ko yung bus. Kasi ito, titignan nila kung paano kayo mag-perform. Pero in real world talaga, sa isang fine dining, babalik ka yan para mag-pour ulit ng water, babalik ulit para mag-pour ng red wine. So dito yung sequence lang ang tinitignan. Okay? Next. Dessert. Excuse me, sir. Here's your Wi-Fi. bumalik. Sir ulit. Excuse me sir, another round of water. Tuloy-tuloy din yan. Okay. Kung nandito lang yung pangako na, magde-demo siya, mag-demo ulit ang isa para makita nyo. Okay? Yun ay mga makukulit pa talaga. So, kompleto. Huwag yung isipin nyo, mahihirapan kayo kasi sa totoo lang, ito talaga ang gagawin nyo sa assessment center. Pag nag-assess kayo. Lalo-lalo na sa HRS. Okay? So, next, bus out. Excuse me, sir, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, bus out to go. Kalimutan ko mga mag-cramming. Cramming pa. Ang cramming after ng... Kailan ba papasok ang cramming? Yung cramming, kailan?
After the main course.
After ng main course, bago mo i-serve yung dessert. Hindi ba natatandaan eh? Okay? I receive 1,000 pesos, sir. Please wait for your change. Okay? Next, excuse me, sir. Your change.
Bali, pagawang ticket.
Okay lang.
Iwan mo na lang.
Yung galaw nyo lang, hindi na kailangan ng ano. Okay, pagtayo, bidding goodbye. Thank you for dining with us, sir. Hope you come back and have a nice day. Tignan nga natin yung susunod, yung mga nakaprepare. Pwede dito kayo, nanonood sila.
Naku. Ma'am,